Alpha.
Hi everyone, my name is Ainsley. As a pet owner myself, we spend most of the time at home with our pets. Today I'm going to share with you guys some tips and tricks on how to take indoor photos with the Sony A7C. Dogs and cats are always on the move, so shooting with 10 frames per second, it actually gives me the flexibility to take multiple shots, capturing their expression and choose the best one afterwards. Okay, Yoda is now lying in a very comfortable position on the cushion. This is a very good position because there's light source from the window, and I'm going to use the cushion here as the foreground as well as the background with the cushion. And we can also use household objects as foreground as well. And I'm going to frame Yoda in a 1/3 position. When shooting pets, the most important thing to take note of is to get the eyes sharp and focused. And this is where the animal eye focus come really handy for me. And I often need to engage with pets with either toys or treats. And Sony A7C is really compact and light enough for me to shoot with just one hand. Jump! With the camera's large sensor, you can actually achieve a very nice background blur. So you can actually blur out those distractions at the background while still having your pet in focus. Now I've chosen the photo and I'm going to transfer it to my phone with just a tap. I can actually almost instantly share my photos on the social media. When I shoot pets in action, I usually shoot in continuous mode. The animal eye real-time tracking actually catch the eye really fast and accurate. Thank you everyone for joining us today. I hope you have learned something useful. Do join us in the next 2 videos. I'll be sharing more on how to shoot outdoor and low light.
Sony.